McKees N914 being a super simple chemical also makes it a very versatile chemical. One of the uses that we found for it is as a windshield washer fluid. Now that might sound kind of weird, putting a rinseless wash into your windshield wiper reservoir, but there's a couple reasons it's actually better for it than traditional windshield washer fluid. So the first reason is that this chemical is designed to be used as a car wash. So it's designed to cut through those bug guts and be safe on your paint, your glass, your coatings, your waxes, and it's not going to damage anything like maybe a more aggressive windshield washer fluid would. The second reason is that McKees is a super simple cleaner, meaning it doesn't have any waxes or polymers or anything extra in it. It's just a strict cleaner. So when you put this in your windshield washer reservoir, it's not going to leave anything inside of there or on your glass or on your paint. So right here I have a bucket of 1 gallon of deionized water. The reason we're using deionized water is because it'll help eliminate some of those water spots once it's sprayed all over your windshield in your car. It's a super simple dilution ratio. We're going to do a 1 part McKees to 128 parts water. So we're going to put a gallon of water into our bucket, and then we're going to use our Pro Blend to get 1 ounce of McKees. And with the Pro Blend, we can fill it up over and it'll go down to the exact measurement. I'll take this, pour it into the bucket, just like that. We'll take our bucket, give it a little swirl, make sure it's all mixed up. Okay, so now that it's mixed up, we can pour this into something that makes it a little bit easier to pour it into our washer reservoir. So we'll take this outside to the tundra and start filling it up. All right, we have our mixture of McKees here, and all we have to do is pour it in. Being careful not to spill any of it. All right, and just like that, our washer reservoir is full. McKees is a great chemical, and if you're doing any sort of detailing, you probably already have some of it laying around. It's dirt cheap, it's ultra versatile, and we love it. So we just wanted to share this one little use we found for it. You can get McKees in our store at obsessedgarage.com, and if you have questions about it specifically, let us know in the comments or reach out directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.